Good morning, and we have our fuel cell stuff. Got our pumps, the carrier. Joe's gonna start making up the custom cell. He's gonna down the bottom here. It's gonna be like cell wall, and the bottom will be here. Then there's gonna be like a little container down the bottom. So these sit right down lower, so it's like a little swirl pot for the fuel. So that way we don't have any surge issues. But we're going to start making all the cell up on like a bit of cardboard and start welding it and get it all together now. Got all of it marked up. Now we just need to cut it out and fold it all and start welding it.
All along, I feel like you need your space. Prisoner in your own home that ain't great. But I know that you and me are safe. We'll finally get away.
Alrighty, so Joe's finished welding all the tank up. We're just filling up with water and we'll go see if it holds water and doesn't leak. Where is it? Oh yep, that's definitely a leak. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. How many leaks did you say? Two. I said 4, Daniel said 1, so we'll see how it goes. At least it's not hot now. I'd actually be impressed if it's only the 1 leak.
Do you want to grab a rag and dry it?
Wait, this won't blow apart, will it?
That's welded, that's right.
Oh, there's another one here.
Do you want to grab a pen so we can actually colour them all in?
Oh yeah.
This corner down here.
Yeah.
No trouble there.
That's definitely a leak. And there was one about here somewhere. Here. There you got one here, squirting straight out. Oh yep. I think it might be here as well. Hey, at least this hasn't blown apart. Like you've really blown it up. I don't know if you can see that well on the camera, but it's.
You got this one here.
Oh, there's heaps over here actually, Joe. I don't think there's anything down the bottom. Just pull it out.
No, because I'm going to get soaked.
No, you won't. It won't. Yeah, see? And we have a fuel tank. Joe reckons it's ugly because it just looks like a big alloy box in the middle of my car. And Joe, that's exactly what it is. That's all done. That's as far as we can go with it because I accidentally forgot to get the weld-on ring that goes on the top for the pumps to sit in. So that's as far as we can go on that. But we're starting to finish off the radiator pipes now, getting all that sorted. Joe's just making a plate to go across here and to hold these up elevated. Go over. Because I'm tipping, I have to cut along all here.
Oh my God.
It's jammed.
Cut it down a bit.
Cut it down a bit. Alright, so we're stopping again on the brackets and we're going back to the tank because Joe really wants to see the fuel pumps and everything in there. And then we'll be going back to working on the pipes again. Well, it looks cute, but well, it's sort of just can't see anything now. Ah, looks good. You want to put it in the car?
Still got to weld an AN on it.
For what?
Breather.
Oh yeah.
All along, I feel like you need your space. Prisoner in your own home, that ain't great. But I know that you and me are safe. We'll finally get away. All along, I feel like you need your space. Prisoner in your own home, that ain't great. But I know that you and me are safe. We'll finally get away.
Alrighty, so we got our tank all done. Really happy with how that's come out. And we also did all the hoses for the radiator. Just a quick little vlog on this one. Next week we're going to be doing all of the plumbing, so everything's going to be all complete. All the ANs will run all in here, and that'll all be done. Pretty much going to try and make sure all the rear's done, and then we're going to start attacking the dash. Still not quite sure how we're going to do it, but Joe and I will come up with something. It's probably going to be pretty similar to the last one. It'll be just a flat aluminium dash and probably just paint it black or something, and hopefully it comes out alright. But stay tuned and watch the next one, boys.